37 weeks in, I think, 5 days.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things.
So y'all, I decided to add more curls because I don't know if I'm gonna do boho. I feel like I need to go all the way boho because this is just giving knotless. So I like this side better. My boyfriend is upstairs doing a closet for baby boy. This is me. So I really do like this side better compared to this side. And this is my first time ever having boho knotless at that, but I'm over here working on it. I'm not recording because I'm trying to get things done. Here's me and baby boy. I still got all this to do, but I just need to get my hair done. I need to finish my hair just in case because I want to look cute when baby boy gets here. But I also need to get this done too. Also, Bae got me this. So content creation is gonna go up. Let me show y'all. This is gonna be so much better than taking my big camera everywhere. But this is how it looks. Comes with so much stuff in here. I can't wait to unbox it. Comes with all of this stuff. And he's so sweet. He got this too. Just to make sure, like, I could have used the regular one, but he decided to get that one. And it's the creator combo. And this can fit in my smallest purse. So that's perfect. Can't wait to use it. Three chicken BLT tacos and got some street corn with a peach or mango lemonade. I can't remember which one I got. My new camera. Making my reel as I do my unboxing. All right, about to put these together. I'm about to finish setting this up and my camera is about to die like it always is, so I'll come back after to show y'all the final results. So I'm going to do the navy one downstairs and the white one upstairs. So cute, and it matches the aesthetics. Yay. It looks so dark outside and it's only 5:52. I'm about to head to my parents' house to get baby boy's clothes because I was waiting on my boyfriend to do the closet before I brought his clothes over here. I did wash them there and everything because their wash machine is bigger and I just wanted to use theirs because it's so cute. And yeah, so I'm going to go over there, take his hangers and rehang his stuff because I bought him new hangers. I'm going to rehang his stuff and find a way to bring it back efficiently without it coming off the hangers. So My mom is going to help, thankfully, and bring the clothes back and put them up. I can't wait to show you guys. Well, I'm going to stop my diaper carts once I get back, probably. I'm not tired at all, so hopefully I don't get tired, and then I can spend my whole day my whole night doing things for baby boy. I am supposed to be induced tomorrow at 8 a.m. I'm not going. I don't want to be induced. I don't think there's a medical need for me to be induced, so I basically told them no thank you but no thank you, because I don't feel like I need it. I don't feel like it's medically necessary, so that's that. But anyways, let's get going. I got me and baby boy a matching outfit, hat and swaddle. Well, not matching outfit, same color. This is my outfit, this is his hat and swaddle. And I'm about to wash his dark clothes. These are his clothes back here. It is way more clothes than what you can see, because it's like 3 onesies on one large hanger. I'm about to put them on baby hangers so that I can transfer them to my house. And yeah, that's the baby clothes. Oh my god, my baby. But yeah, so I'm about to wash his clothes. Let me show y'all what I did the other day, because when I washed his clothes I also did this too. Organized all his stuff like this. I gotta figure out how I'm going to take this to the house and still have it like organized without having to redo it again. He has a lot of stuff, y'all. Hey.
Hello, baby.
What are you doing?
I am cutting up the carrots to add to the pot roast.
Mm-hmm.
We eat real good around here.
Period. My mom is making pot roast.
Yeah, I said Mississippi pot roast.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
It's Mississippi.
I almost forgot about all these clothes, so I gotta get these too. I don't know if I'm going to keep these on a hanger or if I'm actually going to like fold these or roll these and put it in his dresser.
You have a great product.
60 hangers in each one.
We love the
so 120.
you spend on things that I
This
felt like I don't have a reason. I know this, but
Dang, my eye looks really black. Oh my god. Y'all, that is not okay. Like, what the fuck is going on? But I am almost done getting his clothes together on the new baby hangers that I bought. And yeah, I just got a few more. But we're about to go downstairs and eat real quick. Thanks. That's all I wanted. Looks really nice.
Club Shay Shay, and the guy that's stopping by for conversation on a drink today. When we started Club Shay Shay, we told you we're going to try to bring you the biggest athletes, entertainers, celebrities, and we think we've landed Moby Dick today. He's one of the most recognized and beloved global entertainers in the world, one of the most powerful voices in media. He's an Emmy award-winning TV.
I'll be 37 weeks in a couple of hours because it'll be Sunday. Well, really 1 hour because it's like 11 o'clock. I'm about to head home. Just wanted to show y'all the belly. Alright, I bagged all his stuff up. Now we're about to go.
Shout out my mucus. Hey, cause you know that be my slime. I swear that girl she a 10. Yeah, keep her around. I swear that girl she a gem.